Hi friends, welcome to Trivikram Study Corner. In my previous video, we will discuss about the problems related to heat chapter. Now in this video, we will discuss the problems related to second chapter in physics, reflection of light by different surfaces. In this one, first problem, an object 4 centimeters in size is placed at 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. At what distance from the mirror would be a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of image. First, what is the information existed in the problem? Object size, that means HO, object height, is 4 centimeter, and object distance U is 25 centimeters, and the focal length F is 15 centimeters. Now our requirement is image distance V. Next one is image height HI. This is our given information as well as required information. Now by using mirror formula, one by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. But here the question is concave mirror. Concave mirror means the focal length as well as object distance both will be negative. Then 1 by minus 15 equals to 1 by minus 25 plus 1 by V. Then 1 by V equals to 1 by 25 minus 1 by 15. Then 1 by V equals to, find the LCM. So 25 into 15, 15 minus 25, that equals to 15 minus 25 means minus 10 by 25. 15 is a 15 5 is 75, 15 so 30, 37, 375. Then V equals to 375 by 10 minus, that means minus 37.5 centimeters. That means the image will be at the next one, magnification. Magnification is used to find the image of the height. Here magnification is minus HI by HO equals to minus V by U. Here HI is our requirement, so HI by HO, that means object size is 4 equals to minus V means 37.5 by U, object size is 25. That implies object height, image height equals to 4 into 37.5 by 25 minus, then HI equals to 4 into 37.5, 4 5 is a 20, 4 7 is a 28, 30, 4 3 is a 12, 15, 150 minus 0.0 by 25, that equals to minus 6. That means the height of the image will be minus 6 centimeters. That means the image will be inverted and enlarged because of the size will be increasing from 4 to 6. That's why it is enlarged. Minus means it will be inverted. That is the first problem. Next coming to second problem, find the distance of the image when an object is placed on the principal axis at a distance of 10 centimeters in front of a concave mirror whose radius of curvature is 8 centimeters. Here the given information, first one is radius of curvature. R equals to 8 centimeters. From this one we want to find out the focal length. Focal length F equals to R by 2. That means 8 by 2 is 4 centimeters. And we know the object distance. Object distance U equals to 10 centimeters. Now our requirement is image distance, that is V. So by using the formula 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is the concave mirror, so the object distance as well as focal length both will be negative sign. That's why 1 by minus 4 equals to 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by V. Then 1 by V equals to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4. Then V equals to, the LCM will be 10 fours are 40, 4 minus 10. That means minus 6 by 40. Then V equals to 2 3s are 2 20s are. Then minus 20 by 3. That means 3 6 are 18. Again 3 6 are 6 centimeters. That is the image distance. That is the image distance. V equals to minus 6.6 centimeter. Next one, third problem. A convex mirror with a radius of curvature of 3 meters is used as rear view in a automobile. If a bus is located at 5 meters from the mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Here, in previous problems we consider concave mirror, but in this problem we get convex mirror. So first one is the radius of curvature. R equals to 3 meters. From this one the focal length F equals to R by 2, that equals to 3 by 2, 1.5 meters. Next one, object is located at 5 meters, that means the object distance U equals to 5 meters and our requirement is image distance V. So we know the formula 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Here we are substituting the values. For convex mirror all will be positive values. So 1 by 1.5 equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 by V. Then 1 by V equals to 1 by 1.5 minus 1 by 5. Take the LCM, 1.5 into 5, 5 minus 1.5. Then V equals to 5 minus 1.5 means 3.5 by 7.5. That means 35 by 75. 5 7s are 5 15s are. Then V equals to 15 by 7. That means 7 2s are 14. Here in convex mirror the image object distance will be negative, so minus, here you will get plus. That means here 6.5 and 65 by 75. That means the image distance will be 15 by 13 meters. That is the answer for the convex mirror problem. Next problem, fourth one. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeters from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. Find the position and nature of the image. Here also this is convex mirror. Here what is the information we have? First one is object distance. U is 10 centimeters. Next one is focal length. F is 15 centimeters, and our requirement is the image distance V. Next, by using formula 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Here F value will be 15, 1 by 15, and for convex mirror the object distance will be negative, so 1 by minus 10 plus 1 by V. Then 1 by V equals to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. 1 by V equals to, the LCM will be 150, 10 plus 15. That means 1 by V equals to 25 by 150. Then V equals to 150 by 25, that means 6 centimeters. That will be the image distance. After that one, we want to find out the position and nature of image. Nature of image means we should use magnification. Magnification M equals to minus V by U. That means here minus V value means 6 and object distance will be 10. So the value will be minus 0.6 will be the magnification. That means the magnification will be less than 1, then it will be the diminished image, and here negative sign will be there, it is inverted. This is the problems belongs to the second chapter, reflection of light on different surfaces. And please like my channel and share it and subscribe. Thank you.